Here we are in the new Civic Type R's interior, and I gotta tell you, sitting in here just makes me want to fire it up and drive. I love the all-red interior. It says you're about to drive something special. And this interior is where we really see the dual nature of this all-new Type R. On one hand, you have the incredibly well-thought-out Civic interior that prioritizes clean, minimalistic design with great sight lines and easy-to-find controls. On the other hand, this is a Type R, so it's going to be bold but purposeful. The aluminum shift knob and console and the suede effect race-inspired seats live up to the promise of a car that centers around the driving experience. To keep you in control, the Type R seats are high bolstered, just like a race car. And comfort doesn't take a back seat here, as these chairs were designed to be extremely supportive and supremely comfortable. And honestly, they feel great. Everything feels like it's perfectly placed, and we've removed distractions so your hands naturally fall to every control, letting you focus on driving a Type R the way it was meant to be driven.